Hello, Iqra and Rishan. My voice is audible.
Good evening, sir.
Good
Yes, sir.
evening. Okay, so Iqra, you were not present yesterday. You have done the homework?
No, sir. I didn't complete.
Okay, not the issue. So any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Rishan, you have completed the homework? Rishan, homework is done. Rishan, please reply me on the chat box. Do you have any doubt? Rishan, any doubt? Okay, so I guess there's some network problem with Rishan. So, Iqra, we will continue the complex number. Yesterday, we have just done some problems from the miscellaneous. Okay. So, we will start with the next
Okay, sir.
topic. Next is complex plane or arcant plane or Gaussian plane. Okay. So, what is this? The plane in which we represent a complex number geometrically is known as complex plane or arcant plane. Gaussian plane. Okay, so the plane in which we represent a complex number is known as a complex plane. So for example, we have this x and y axis. So this is first quadrant, second quadrant, this is third one, and this is fourth one. So this is a complex plane. Okay, so how can we represent a complex number? Let this be the standard form. And suppose we have this one, z is equal to 1 plus iota 2. Then, Iqra, what is x? Compare this one. What is x?
Z minus iota y.
No, yeah, that's correct. But if we compare these two, then
Okay.
can we say x is equal to 1 and y is equal
Yes,
to 2?
sir. Yes, sir.
Rishan, this clear? Rishan, please reply me on the chat box. This clear? X is 1 and y is 2. Rishan. Okay, so Iqra, this will lie in which quadrant?
First quadrant.
First quadrant, very good. So in this quadrant, both are positive. In this quadrant, x is negative and y is positive. And this one, both are negative. And in this one, x is positive and y is negative. Okay, so we have this one. Next, z is equal to minus iota minus 1 minus iota 3. So Iqra, can you tell me this line which quadrant?
In the third quadrant.
In the third quadrant, very good. Rishan, if you can hear me, then please reply me. Okay. Iqra, on this line which quadrant?
Second quadrant.
Second, very good. And suppose 2 minus iota 3. Iqra, this line which quadrant?
Fourth quadrant.
Fourth quadrant. Okay, so this clear. So what is a complex plane? This plane in which the complex number lie, in which we represent a complex number, is known as a complex plane. And the complex number lie in which quadrant? That depends on the sign of the real part and the imaginary part. Okay.
Yes,
This
sir.
okay. So please note down this definition and note anyone of the example and let me know. Then we will start the next topic. Okay. And Rishan, if you can hear me, then please reply me. Ikhra, please confirm me once you complete.
Done, sir.
Okay, very good. Rishan, this done. Rishan, then we will start the next topic. Please let me know if you complete it. Okay, Ikhra, then we will start the next topic. Okay, so in some schools, they are teaching this topic, and in some schools, they are ignoring this one. So next is this argument of Z or amplitude of Z. Okay. So Safan, you have just joined. Safan, please note down this complete definition. Then I will explain you that what is this. And please confirm me once you note this. Safan, my voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Safan, please let me know once you complete it.
Once again.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay, Safan. So Safan, what is a complex plane? The plane in which we represent a complex number geometrically. Okay. So what does this mean? We have this complex number z is equal to x plus iota y. So this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. So Safan, you already know that in this xy plane, this is the first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third, and this one is the fourth quadrant. In the first quadrant, x and y are both are positive. Okay, Safan.
Okay, sir.
And the second quadrant, x is negative and y is positive. And the third one, x is negative, y is negative, and the fourth one, x is positive and the y is negative. This clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have this z is equal to x plus iota y. So we have this one, z is equal to 1 plus iota 2. So if we compare these two, this is the real part. Okay. So x is equal to 1. This is the imaginary part. That's why y is equal to 2. So both are positive. So Savan, can you let me know that this complex number will lie in which quadrant?
First quadrant.
First quadrant. So suppose we have this one, z is equal to -1 plus iota 3. Then this line which quadrant?
Second quadrant.
Second, very good. Suppose we have this one, z is equal to -2 minus iota 4. This line which coordinate?
Third quadrant.
Very good. Next we have this, suppose z is equal to 2 minus iota 3. This line which quadrant?
Fourth.
Fourth one. Okay, very good. So this is the complex plane, and first we need to identify then that the complex number which lie in the which quadrant. So this clear, Safan?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Then next topic is argument of z or amplitude of z. So for example, z is equal to x plus iota y. We have this complex number. Okay. Like this is the origin. And this is x comma y. If we join this, we get this line. Okay. Let this be origin O and let this be point P. This is x and this is y. Then this OP is making an angle theta with a positive direction of x-axis. Okay, we get a point, we join it, and this OP is making an angle theta with a positive direction of x-axis. Then this theta is called the argument or amplitude of z. Okay, so the angle theta which OP makes with positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise sense it's called the argument of z or amplitude of z. And is denoted by, okay, we will do some questions on the basis of this, then you will understand the definition. And it is denoted by argument of z. Okay, so please note down this definition. Please confirm me once you note it.
Done, sir.
Okay, Safan and Rishan, this is completed.
1 second, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay, so what is the argument? This OP is making an angle theta with a positive x direction in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so this is the amplitude or argument of z. We always calculate the principal argument. So what is principal argument? This theta, okay, or we will say this argument. Argument of z is always greater than minus pi and less than equal to pi. So whenever we will find this argument, this should lie between minus pi and pi. Otherwise, there will be infinite angles. Okay. So we will just find the angle which lie between minus pi and pi. Just note this, and in the question, I will again explain you that what is the meaning of this one. Please confirm me once you note this.
Done, sir.
Okay. Safan and Rishan, this done.
1 second.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay, very good. Now next one. Next is method to find argument of a complex number. Of a complex number. Okay. So first of all find let's say it is equal to x plus iota y be a complex number. Be a complex number. Okay, so what you need to do, first of all, find tan alpha is equal to y by x. Okay, I will explain you how you need to find this. So first of all, you need to find this one. Second is if that p, okay, p point is this one. If x comma y, this point p lies in first quadrant, then argument of z is equal to alpha. If this complex number lie in the first quadrant, then argument is equal to alpha. If this point px comma y lies in second quadrant, then argument of z is equal to pi minus alpha. If this point lies in third quadrant, then argument of z is equal to minus pi minus alpha. And fifth one, if this point p x comma y lies in fourth quadrant, then argument of z is equal to minus of alpha. Okay, please note down this, and the questions I will explain you how you need to solve this. Abdullah, my voice is audible? Okay, so Ikhra, Rishan, Safan, Abdullah, please confirm. Okay, Abdullah, good. So Abdullah, please note down this and confirm me once you do this, then we will start some questions. Ikhra, Rishan, Safan, Abdullah, please confirm me if this is done. Ikhra, Rishan, Safan, Abdullah, this completed.
Done, sir.
Okay, Safan.
Done, sir.
Okay, Okay, Abdullah. Rishan, please confirm. Okay, so before starting the next question, please tell me some values. This is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. Okay, so Ikhra, please tell me what is tan 0. Ikhra, what is the value of tan 0? Safan, what is the value of tan 0 degree?
Yes, sir.
What is the value of tan 0 degree?
I don't know, sir.
In class 10, you have remembered the you have learned the value. So tan 0 is 0. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 45 is 1. 60 is root 3. And 90 is not defined. Okay, Ikhra, Abdullah, Rishan, and Safan. It's okay now?
Yes, sir.
Safan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please note down this, confirm me, then we will try some questions.
Done, sir.
Okay, Safan, Abdullah, Rishan. Safan, Abdullah, and Rishan. Abdullah,
Yes, sir.
this done. Safan, this done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next one. Okay, now this is a unit in degree. This is in radian. Okay, pi by 30 is pi by 6. This is pi by 4. This is pi by 3. And 90 means pi by 2. Okay, so in class 11, we have one more unit to measure the angle, that is radian. So this is 0 is 0. Okay, so in radian 0 is 0, 30 is pi by 6, 45 is pi by 4, 60 is pi by 3, and 90 is pi by 2. Okay, so till the time we do not start the trigonometry, then please remember these values. Okay, please note this also and
The
confirm.
pi is 1 by 80.
Pi
Sorry,
is
180. 180.
yeah, that's correct. Okay, so please remember these values and confirm me once you note this.
Done, sir.
Okay, Safan Abdullah, Rishan, this done.
Done, sir.
Okay, so question is, for example, you have z is equal to 1 plus iota. Okay, now first we need to find tan alpha, which is given by y by x. So tan alpha is equal to, what is y in this case, Safan? Safan, what is y in this case? Safan,
Sir, I don't know.
this you need to compare this
Is
with x
1.
plus iota y. Okay, so y is 1. And Safan, what is x?
Oh, x is 1.
X is 1. Okay, so tan alpha is equal to what? Modulus will convert every sign into a positive one. Okay, if you will put a negative sign, then it will convert it into a positive one. So tan alpha is equal to 1. So tan alpha is equal to, now, when we will get 1 in tan, Safan, for which angle we will get 1?
45 degree.
45. Okay, so what we will write? We will write in place of this, in place of 1, we will write 10 pi by 4. 45 is pi by 4. Now compare this one. This is tan, this is 10. So alpha is equal to pi by 4. So this is clear. Abdullah, Ikhra, Rishan, and Safan.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Ikhra, please tell me this line which quadrant?
So you asked quadrant.
Yes. In
First
which quadrant?
quadrant.
First quadrant. Okay. So in first quadrant, if we will check the formula, then if P lie in the first quadrant, then argument is equal to alpha. So we will say that Z lies in first quadrant, lies in first quadrant. So argument of Z is equal to alpha. So argument of Z is equal to pi by 4. Okay, Ikhra, this clear?
Yes, sir.
Uh, Safan, Rishan, Abdullah, this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please note down this, then we will start an equation.
Done, sir.
Rishan, Safan, this done, Abdullah. Safan, Abdullah, this done. Shall we start next? Suppose next Z is equal to 1 minus iota. Okay. So we have this Z is equal to x plus iota y. We have this one. Tan of alpha is equal to y by x. So tan of alpha is equal to Ikhra, what is y in this case?
1.
Minus 1.
Yes.
What is x?
1.
You will get tan of alpha is equal to what? Modulus of minus 1 is again 1. So you will write tan alpha is equal to again tan pi by 4. So you will get alpha is equal to pi by 4. Ikhra, this line which quadrant?
First quadrant.
First quadrant? No. X is what? 1, y is minus 1. This line which quadrant?
Third quadrant.
No, not in third.
Second quadrant.
No, not in second.
Fourth quadrant.
Hmm? This is plus plus.
So fourth quadrant.
Fourth quadrant, very good. This is minus plus. This is minus minus. And this is plus minus. Okay. So alpha is this. Now in the fourth quadrant, what is argument of Z? Check the formula. In the fourth quadrant, what is the argument?
Minus alpha.
Minus alpha. So what the answer we will get? We will get argument of Z is equal to minus alpha. So argument of Z is equal to minus pi by 4. Okay, Ikhra, this clear?
So, sir, we have to look at the value of x and y to decide the quadrant.
Yes. Okay,
Okay, sir.
from this we just need to calculate alpha by using the modulus, and after this we need to check that x and y lie in which quadrant. Okay, Safan, this clear?
Yes, sir.
Abdullah, this clear? Rishan, this clear? Next, please try this one. -1 minus iota. Okay, try to solve it and share your answer. Iqra, this done. Safan, Abdullah, Rishan. Iqra, Rishan, Safan, Abdullah. Iqra. Okay. Let me check. I will check this. Okay. So Iqra, tan alpha is equal to Iqra. What is y?
Y is -1.
Very good. What is x?
-1.
Okay. So tan alpha. This is a modulus. Just convert this into a positive one. Okay, one. So tan alpha is equal to tan pi by 4. So alpha we will get is equal to pi by 4. Safan, this line which quadrant? Safan,
First quadrant.
first?
Wait,
Hmm,
no. Minus. Third.
Third quadrant. So in third quadrant, what is the argument of z?
-θ minus alpha.
Safan, what is the argument of z in third quadrant?
Minus theta minus alpha.
We have noticed this. Okay, this is the third quadrant. So what is the argument of z? Minus pi minus alpha. Okay.
I said
Hmm.
theta by mistake.
Yes. And Safan repeat that mistake. So this is minus pi minus alpha. So calculate it. Okay, take LCM. This is 4 pi minus pi. So minus 4 minus this is 3 pi by 4. So this is minus 3 pi by 4. Okay. Safan Ikhra, this clear?
Yes, sir.
Safan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Abdullah, this clear? Abdullah, this clear? So please note down this, then we will start the next question. Please confirm me once this is done.
So the sign inside the bracket will not change.
Where? This one?
Yes.
We will
Minus.
calculate this. Okay, we will calculate this and we get a 3 pi by 4 after taking the LCM. And outside the bracket, we have this negative sign. So this will become minus 3
Okay,
pi by
sir.
4. Okay. Ikhra, Safan, Abdullah, Rishan, please confirm me once you note this.
Done, sir.
Okay, Safan, this done.
1 second.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay, then please try this question. Z is equal to minus 1 plus iota. Okay, please try this and share your answer. Ikhra, this done. Safan,
No, sir.
okay. Safan, tell me this, tan alpha is equal to modulus y by x. Okay, tan alpha is equal to, very good, Ikhra, this is correct. Safan, please tell me what's the value of y?
1
Okay, what's the value of x?
minus 1.
Very good. So tan of alpha is equal to 1. Okay, so this is a modulus. It will convert this into a positive value. So tan of alpha is equal to tan pi by 4. So we will get alpha is equal to pi by 4. So one, please tell me this line which quadrant?
Second quadrant.
Second, very good. So in second quadrant, what is the argument of z? Safan,
Pi minus alpha.
pi minus alpha. Very good. So this will give you pi minus pi by 4, and this is equal to 3 pi by 4. Okay. Please note down this and confirm me. Then we will start next question.
And sir,
Okay, Iqra, very good. Safan, Abdullah, and Rishan, please confirm me. Safan, this done. Safan,
Yes, sir. Done.
now next, please try this question. Z is equal to minus root 3 plus iota. Okay, please try this. Iqra, Safan, and Rishan, this done. Iqra, Safan, Rishan, this completed.
yes, sir.
Okay, Iqra, what's the answer?
5 root uh, 5 pi by 6.
Okay, good. So, okay, Safan, what is y? Safan,
Sir, x is minus root 3
very good,
and y is 1.
very good. So we will get tan of alpha is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, so tan of alpha. So tan is 1 by root 3 for which angle?
30.
30. So one turn the pages. This one, pi by 6. Okay, so fine.
Okay, sir.
So we will write tan alpha is equal to tan pi by 6. So fine, what is the value of alpha?
Yes, sir.
So fine, what's the value of alpha? Compare this. Alpha is pi by 6. So far.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now this line, which quadrant, so far?
Second quadrant.
And the second quadrant. So in second quadrant, what is the argument of z?
Pi minus
Pi
alpha.
minus pi by 6. Okay, pi minus alpha. So argument of z is what? Take the LCM, 6 pi minus pi by 6. This will give you 5 pi by 6. Okay, so far, this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this was the last topic of the complex number. This is completed. Okay, please complete the homework, and the next class we will start the quadratic equation, and then we will start a new chapter. Okay, so today's class is over. Just give me a minute. Note down the homework. Exercise 5.2, question number 1, 2. Okay, and I'll give you the complete homework. Exercise 5.1 complete. 5.2, question number 1, 2. Then miscellaneous complete. Okay, the questions which we have marked in the last class. And just give me a minute. Assignment 2. In assignments, the homework is same which I have given in the previous classes. Okay, so just complete this, then your chapter is over. In the next class, we will do the quadratic equation. Okay, Ikhra, Rishan, Safan, and Abdullah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this week please complete the homework, and the next in the next weekend you have a test of complex number. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay then. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Safan. Welcome. Okay, Abdullah and Rishan.